How to get free gifts in Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and make sure that you get logged into your Temu account. Then tap on Use section on your bottom page. You will see Earn Credits and Free Gifts at the bottom option. Tap Open it. You will see various options. You have to choose any one that you would like to redeem or click to reveal. First of all, you have to choose your free gifts. Choose the first gift, choose the size, then tap on Pick. Let's go ahead and choose our second gift. Repeat the same process. And once you collect all the gift, you have to invite friends to get energy. Also be noted, this will expire in this due time, so make sure that you invite your friends before this time. So tap on Invite Friend to get energy. You can either copy the code or simply go onto these platforms and share it directly with your friends. And once they click onto the link, you will get some referral codes. Just like so, that will also lead you to get some free gifts. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you have found this video to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.